is what the incline. What is angle of inclination given alpha? Let me mute. Many are there. How the free surface? I think only one thing. The free surface may be like this, or maybe like this. No, these are the only two possibilities. What can happen? How to decide like how the alignment of free surface? Sir, what is there? You assume in any arbitrary direction to solve it. I think prior to that, we must have some basics here. Like now, let's assume if the free surface is like this. Huh? What problem will arise? See, nothing wrong in thinking like this, So let's choose the points. Choose these 2 points. So pressure at 1. So 2. So here we'll mark a points here. This is point 1. This is a point 2. Now what about pressure at 1? P1 will be there. Mg sin theta. Mg sin theta will act down the incline. Okay, we'll do one thing. Rough diagram. Okay, one of the student, he will start like this. Okay, sir, account to me the incline surface. Okay, no problem. Carry on. So we'll verify whether we are right or wrong. So there's a 1. There's a 2. So best thing is assume a cylinder here. Don't do for entire the liquid column. Assume a cylinder. So what are the forces here? P1s, P2s, as this is accelerating pseudo force, and mg sin theta. As it is accelerating down, as it is accelerating down, pressure at this point, as it is accelerating down, the pressure at the rear end should be more, no? Pressure at rear end should be more. So therefore what happens? Just you assume the pressure at this point should be more. So therefore, like if you look at the liquid column here, because of the height perpendicular to incline, this is less, this is more. So this is not possible. Okay, got this one. So this has to be, so how the inclined surface earlier, it was parallel to incline when it is attached. Now when it accelerates, the inclined surface will take a shape like this here. Here also spilling all will be there. Okay, this is the angle theta. This is acceleration E naught. Now get into this one. So that theta has to be determined. What is the one property of free surface? What is the property of free surface? Free surface will always align itself in such a way that tangential force along it must be 0, or it will align itself perpendicular to the net force. So instead I'm using tangential. The tangential force at any point on free surface must be 0. Then only equilibrium is possible. Let's get into this one. So let's take a small elemental volume of liquid. You are going to choose. What are the forces on it? Mg sin alpha, Mg cos alpha, then Ma naught. Then all the forces along the free surface or tangential force on free surface must be equal to 0. Net force along free surface must be 0. This is one property of free surface. Otherwise, what happens? It cannot be in that particular position. So let's go for that one on. Who is drawing this diagram? The person on the container, the person on the container, because I took pseudo force here, no? Ma naught. So this is the theta. So Ma naught cos theta along the free surface, MA naught cos theta minus mg sine alpha cos theta. Then what is the other mg cos alpha we should resolve, no? Minus mg cos alpha sine theta equal to 0. Overall this one, so what is A naught? A naught is equal to g sine alpha tan theta. So we have to solve for tan theta. Theta with respect to what we measure, theta with respect to the incline, not with respect to horizontal.